Employees are the lifeblood of your company. Their satisfaction and overall wellness impacts their performance and, ultimately, the overall success of your company. That is why leading companies across the country are adding wellness programs to their operation. Imagine a cost-effective way to increase and promote wellness for your employees. The solution is simple. Show your employees you care about them while improving workplace morale, lowering stress, and increasing productivity by adding an Infinity massage chair to your wellness program. Not only will it energize the workplace, but it will also help with recruitment and retention of employees. Join our workplace wellness program. We have helped hundreds of companies increase their culture, morale, and performance with our state-of-the-art full-body massage chairs. One study shows that just 15 minutes in a massage chair increases brain activity and the ability to perform mathematical computations. According to another study published in the journal Pain Medicine, massage chairs help reduce lower back pain, the leading cause of disability worldwide. A full-body massage chair also helps reduce stress, improves your mood, benefits cardiovascular health, increases sleep quality, lessens headaches, and much more. With a positive impact on all areas of life, these massage chairs are bound to have a great impact on your company, from reduced turnover, sick days, and insurance costs to increased job performance and employee satisfaction. Catapult your company culture and provide your employees with the wellness that they deserve. Fill out the form below to talk to a salesperson about our workplace wellness program and see what Infinity massage chairs can do for your company. We look forward to helping increase your workplace wellness.